Hello guys, today I'm going to show you Admin LTE template is available free online. Okay, that you are going to download it and how to deploy it in Godaddy server. Okay, this admin template I have downloaded and I extracted here to check all the files are available or not. Okay, it's okay. Now this is the cPanel file manager of Godaddy server. Just we have to take out those files, and these files you can keep it or you can move to this folder also. New folder, create it. Okay, I can keep this CGI bin and other files I will move to. In public HTML, one more folder is there, old files. Okay, all files moved, so I'm going to upload that identity panel over here. Here I will upload it. I'll pause this video until it uploads. Okay, once it is uploaded, it will show in green 100% completed. So I'll close this. Now reload the location. Here you are going to learn how to handle the files also in Godaddy server. Some of the option. This video is for newcomer, for those who are going to use the Godaddy server, who is going to start now. So I am going to extract this in public HTML. Okay. Now here these files are in this folder. So if I check this, okay, this is my domain name. Here you will not find anything except those folders. So even though I removed that file from public HTML, it is still showing that page because previously it was loaded. So I'm going to press Ctrl Shift R to clear the cache. Okay, there is no file like index file and all, so now it is showing forbidden. Okay, so in that public HTML folder, again one more folder is added, that is admin LTE. So I will put that folder name over here. So let's see what we'll get it. In future videos, I'm going to show how to deal with this admin LTE panel, means how we can modify those things, and how we can use this thing for uh, link with the database and work and create one application, create, update, delete and all. So this is the first video for deploying the application, simple application. So here you can see this admin panel is being loaded. This is freely available and wonderful application, means template they have given. We can deal with this and we can create any kind of application by using these things. Okay, so now you can see this is completely loaded. This is dashboard 1, version 1. Amazing graphs, cards and everything they have given. And this is dashboard 2. The basic plan I have taken for this domain. So this is startup plan. So it's a little bit slow, but it is working fine for those who are going to start their career to develop web applications and all. It is best platform from the Godaddy. In low cost we are getting the hosting and domain. And one more template they have given, that is dashboard 3. Not only this is amazing, just you can click and inspect with the compatibility. With the mobile compatibility I'm going to check. See how nicely it is resized to mobile compatible, and you can check all the components are working very fine. I don't know, my internet might be so slow, but yeah, here we go. Okay friends, I'm not going to drag this video anymore, just because my internet is slow, so it is not working properly. But the thing is that this template is working fine. So let's close this video. We'll meet in next session where I'm going to show you how to create the database in Godaddy server and how to deal with that things. And don't forget to share this video if anybody is needed some kind of information like a deployment of this thing in Godaddy. And if you have any queries regarding this, you just let me know. This is the beginning video, so I'm lagging somewhere in most of the things, but I'll make sure that this should not happen in next videos. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch and like the video if it is helpful for you. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video.